In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file into Adalo. Start by opening your Adalo project and clicking the database icon on the left side of the screen. Select the collection where you want to import the CSV file. I'm using the products database. Before importing anything, make sure that the columns in your CSV file match the property names in your database. For example, in my products collection, I have name, price, and description. When I open my CSV file, I can see that it contains product name, price, and description. Once everything matches, go back to your Adalo database and click Records. At the top, you'll see the Import CSV icon. Click on it, then click Select File, navigate to your CSV file on your computer, and open it. Adalo will now show you a field matching screen. On the left are your CSV column names, and on the right are your database properties. If your names are similar, Adalo usually matches them automatically, but always double check. After confirming everything is correct, click Import Data. Once the system says the import was successful, click Done. You'll now see that all your rows from the CSV file have been added to your database. This process works the same way for any database in your project as long as the column names match properly, and this is how you can import CSV to Adalo.